Okay, hello, good evening, guys. All right, so I want to record this video about Satoshi OpenEX and the whole process of linking address and the OpenEX app missions and all that. All right, so once you open your Satoshi app, you will find that there is this ongoing airdrop that is OG. We all know that OpenEX airdrop ended. So you're going to click on me at the bottom here, or you can still come here at this icon. You'll still go to a wallet. So once you come there, click on assets, this region here, and then you will see OpenEX here. It's the fourth one. So once you click on OpenEX, you will see the link address option. Let me refresh it. Yeah, it's here. So you can see the link address option. Now we want to link the address. Now once you click on link address, it will tell you to paste the address, and it will tell you to enter the asset password. Now the asset password, it's a password that you'll use to withdraw your OpenEX coins. Okay, so if you have never set it before, it will tell you to set the asset password. When you click on here, it will first prompt you to set the asset password. Similarly, you can come to settings and you can come to personal settings, and you'll still find the option of setting the asset password here. Okay, so you just set an asset password. Yeah, it should be different from the login password, so take note of that. Now once you have set the asset password, it means that the next thing now is to link the address. Now how do you where do you get the address from? So you are supposed to install this app here, the OEX app. So OEX is the same as OpenEX. Okay, so this is the app. Now once you install it, make sure you install the latest version. Yeah, so I'll send the APK. Yeah, so what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to come here and click on sign up. Okay, now that is if you don't have another wallet. Now there are some people who use the MetaMask address. Okay, so when you log into your MetaMask, there is that address at the top. There are people who used that address and linked it here on Satoshi. So you are still if you used MetaMask, you are supposed to import. You're supposed to import that address, because there are some few things you're supposed to do here on the OEX app. Okay, so if you are new and you don't have MetaMask or any other, so you just come here and create a new wallet. Okay, so if you click on sign up, set a password that you'll be using to log in. Let me see, for example, let me put 1 2 3 4 5 6 and repeat again. All right, so once you set the pin or the unlock password, click on done. So you'll be taken to the wallet. All right, so this is the wallet. Okay, so you can change the network here from core mainnet to OpenEX long test net. Yeah, and so what you need to do in this app, there are some few missions here you're supposed to do. Okay, so these are the missions you're supposed to do. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 of them. So the missions are for the purpose of verification. Okay, and if you have created this wallet, you're supposed to come here to settings and make sure that you back up the wallet, so that if in case you lose it, you'll be able to recover it by importing. Okay, so click on backup, and then you are going to be asked to enter the login password. So enter the login password, and then you will see the phrases that you'll use to log in to your wallet. So you can copy them and store them somewhere safe. So whenever maybe you lose the app or something will happen, you'll be able to import it back. Okay, all right, so these are the missions you're supposed to do. There is a mission L, there is mission Z, there is mission X, there is mission T, and there is mission E. Now mission C is just a new mission which has been added for those who are unable to do mission X. Okay, so you're supposed to do these other missions. That is 1 2 3 4, and then mission X. Now if you can't do mission X, you're going to do mission C. Okay, so that's it. So let me start with mission now before we come to missions, let me first show you how to complete the linking. So we are supposed to copy the address. So we want to copy the address, so come back to the assets section or the home here, and then if you check at top here, you can see an address. Okay, so that is the same address you'll be using in this wallet. Similarly, you can click on OpenEX here, because we want to copy the address, and then you are going to click on receive, and then you are going to copy. So you're going to click here. You can see the copy icon there, and it will tell you that it has been copied. So if you come back to your Satoshi app, you're supposed to paste it and then enter the asset password that you set earlier. Okay, so you can so that's it. That's how you copy the address. You can still even if you change from the network from testnet to core mainnet, the address is still the same. You can see the address is still the same. So even if you come to OpenEX again, click on receive. The address is still the same because we are using the same wallet. It's the same wallet. Okay. Now I hope you understood for those who used MetaMask. Now if you are just registered, if you use the sign up button, you don't have to worry about MetaMask, because I had some people asking me, how am I going to connect my OEX with MetaMask? You don't need to connect with MetaMask. I just say that for those who submitted the MetaMask address, they have to import it to OpenEX app so that they can do the missions. Okay. So if you just registered here on OEX, you don't need MetaMask. Okay. So just come here and copy this address here and make sure you back up your wallet, as I said. And then now once you are here, let me, after pasting the address, so let me use my address, so that I have already done this. So let me use my address. So this is my address, and then I'm going to type my asset password. All right. So after setting type in your password, click on link and then click on confirm, and then they're going to send a code to your email. So let me check my email. So this is the code here they have sent. So you're going to copy it, and then you're going to come here and paste. Okay, you're going to come here and paste. Yeah, and then click on confirm. Now after you click on confirm, it will bring you here. You are supposed to do a face verification. So just click on start verification. And then it will guide you on what to do. So it want to verify that you're not a robot. So there are some instructions. You'll be told like to blink, to turn your head to the left, to the right. Yeah, and you'll be also told to like open your mouth. So just follow those instructions. They are not hard, and to make sure that you are in good lighting. Yeah. Now once you have passed that verification, so let me do it. Alright guys, so I've passed the verification. Now once you verify, you'll be brought back here. So you're going to click here again, link address, and then click on confirm, and then you'll get this message here that the address linking is successful. Now once you have done that, you have completed the linking process. So that's it, you have completed. Now if you come back to your OpenEX app and you click on a hub, the second icon at the bottom. Okay, so and then there is an option here for OEX. So if you click on OEX, you are supposed to see your points here. Okay, so you're supposed to see your points here, like the points on Satoshi will be reading here, and then this is the RGX points, and then these are the points which will be awarded for completing the missions. Okay, so there are some points which they say that if you do the missions, you're likely to get rewarded. So that's it, they'll be here. Okay, all right. So this is not my account, it's just a demonstration account. So your points in you see these points here. Let me just show you. You see these points here. This OEX balance should be reading here. Okay, should be reading here. That is after you have also completed another mission here, which is let me check, which is mission E. Yeah, it is mission E. So you are supposed to submit the email you used for Satoshi app. Okay, you're supposed to paste it here, the email, and then select country. So just click on where you see Indonesia and change the country. Okay, so you're supposed to change the country. So that's not hard, you can search yeah, and then enter the email and then click on submit. Okay, now once you submit, it will tell you that it has been verified. Okay, so that's one mission E, you're supposed to do it. There is mission T, there is mission L, there is mission Z. So I want to take you through this mission. So mission T, it involves Telegram. So it tells you to send this command to the RGX bot. So this is the username, it is the Telegram username. Okay, so you're going to Telegram and search for that username, and then you're supposed to, if you click on this thing you are seeing here in a box, it will be copied. If you tap on it like that, it will be copied. Okay, now go to Telegram, and then click on the search button at top, and then just type RGX. Okay, so the name is RGX, the username is @RGX_bot. All right, so you can see there is RGX here, and actually you will realize they can confuse you because some of the bots here are scam bots, so you have to be very careful. So let me check the first one. Okay, so just tap on the profile and confirm the username. You can see this is the one. Okay, so the name is RGX and the username is @RGX_bot. Okay, so what you're supposed to do here, you're supposed to send the command that you have copied. So just paste, don't type anything else, just paste and send. Okay, and then the bot will reply to you that you have binded the address, blah blah blah. So that one. Okay, all right, so when you come back here, you'll actually find that it has been completed. don't know if it will work because I had already. So once it replies, you will come back here, you will find that the mission has been completed. Alright, so let's go to mission L. Alright, you're supposed to do mission Z first. There is a quiz. Let me try to check my internet. Okay, so the problem was my network. So you can see the mission T is already completed. You can see there is a tick here. Okay, so now we still have to do mission Z. So mission Z is a quiz test. So once you do the quiz, you're supposed to be given let me change this to testnet. You're supposed to get 10 USDT, which is testnet USDT. Okay, so you will use it to do mission L. Okay, so open mission Z, click on start quiz. So these are quiz, and then you will be asked these questions. Okay, so who should contribute to the blockchain? Everyone can. So let me just answer them. Alright, so if you select all the answers correct and submit, it should work. So if the answers are not all of them, if they are not correct, it will not work. It will not submit. So look for the answer that is not correct and replace it with the one that is correct. So let me try again. Yeah, you can see it is said that quiz passed. So let me confirm if they have given me the 10 USDT. Actually, they have given me 30 USDT. Yeah, I understand the reason, because initially the price of OpenEX was around $3. That is the testnet price. Now you can see it's $9. So $10 wouldn't be enough. Okay. All right. So now we are done with mission E. We are done with mission E and mission Z, and also mission T. Okay. So let's now do mission L. Now mission L, it requires you to swap. It requires you to swap it requires you to have USDT, OpenEX, and AGI, all of them at the same time. So you can see that the USDT is there, and there is a tick, and then we don't have OEX and we don't have AGI. So what do? You come back here, go to Hub, and then click on swap. Okay. So we want to swap this USDT, some of it to OpenEX testnet. So we need only one OpenEX token. So because the testnet price is $9, let me put 9 point. Let me just put 10. Okay. Yeah, so that we get one OpenEX. Okay, you can see the amount is 10 to receive one OpenEX, and then click on swap. So just click on swap and then wait, right? Okay, so after it has done loading, come back here, come back to mission L and check if OpenEX has been met the condition. So you can see if there is a tick here. Okay, so you can see there is a tick. So we have USDT and we have OEX. So we still need some AGI. So let me swap again. We have USDT. So you are going to change this. Just tap on where you see OEX, and then click on AGI. Okay, and then type around. Let me type 5 and see how many AGI coins. We only need like 2.5 AGI. So let me type 3. That is 4. Let me type 2. That is 2.6. Okay, let me swap that. Alright, so it is done loading. Let me go back to mission L. So you find all the conditions have been met. We have USDT, we have some OEX, and we have some AGI. So just click on submit at the bottom here, and you can see the mission L. You have passed mission L successfully. So the next one is mission X. So mission X, it is for Twitter. Okay, so you're going to enter your Twitter username here. So let me go to my Twitter. Okay guys, so we are supposed to take our Twitter username. So if you know your username, you can type there. If you don't know, come to profile, and then you are supposed to copy this. You're supposed to type this username there. Okay, so don't type the name, just type the username like that. Okay, yeah, just type it like that. It's correct, and then click on next. Okay, all right. So they are telling you to copy the content you see in the box here. Okay, so if you click anywhere, it will be copied. So you are supposed to post it on the Twitter account that you have taken the username from. All right, and then you are going to copy the link of that post and come and paste it there. So let me come here. Sorry for that. So I'll go to post, and I'll just paste the text I have copied. So just click on post. Don't change anything. All right. So once you have posted, you're supposed to see it. So come and click on this share button. All right, and then copy link. If you don't see the post, come to your profile, click on profile, and then you'll find it here. It will be the first one. Click on share, copy link. All right, and then come and paste there. Once you have pasted there, it will change to like that number you have seen there. So once you have done that, click on check status. All right, so if you see this, so just click again on check status. All right, guys, so this mission X has been having some problems. That's why I told you the mission C was introduced for those who are unable to do the mission X. Okay, so to do the mission C, you need some core. So you can top up maybe 1 core or 2. So 1 core is around $2. Yeah, so you can go to the exchange and buy some 1 core, and then you are supposed to swap it. You're supposed to swap it to COM. So COM is a meme coin on the core blockchain, right? So you're supposed to come here on. Let me change to core mainnet. So I have I don't know if I have any of the core. Okay, it's in the other account. So what you do, just come to hub, come to swap, and then change OpenEX, select COM. Okay, so you're going to enter like 1. Let me put 1. So if you put 1, okay, it's refusing because I don't have any of the balance is 0. So if you recharge like, let me say 1 core, it will be able to swap. Now once you have swapped, when you come back to mission C, it will be recording that you have some of the COM and some of the core. So you click on submit, and after doing that, it will be successful. Okay, so you'll have completed all the missions. All right, now after that, so how to get the core? You just come here, click on receive, copy address, and then you can go to your exchange and buy. I will tell someone to help you, like to buy it for you. All right, so guys, the main thing here is doing the missions, and so after that, you'll have been completed. Okay, hello guys, before I finish this video, there's something I said about those people who use the MetaMask address for linking in the Satoshi app. So you're supposed to come to your settings on your MetaMask, okay, and then come to settings and privacy. So what you are doing here, you want to copy your recovery phrase, or that is the private key. So you see these 2 questions here, so just answer them. If you lose your secret phrase, MetaMask can't help you. Continue. If anyone is asking for your secret phrase, you are being scammed, okay, because you're not supposed to share. All right, so enter your password. Okay, and then it's telling you to hold to reveal, so just hold, and then after that you will see it. So just copy to clipboard. Okay, so this is what you need to import. Okay, so if you open your OpenEX app, if you open your OEX, that is, you are supposed to click on import. Supposed to click on import there, and then you are going to paste. You're going to paste the phrases. Okay, and then click next. So after that, enter. Okay, you're going to enter the password, the unlock password, and then repeat. Alright, so it has been imported successfully. If you check the address at top here, should be the same to the one on MetaMask. Okay, yeah, and then you can come and do the missions if you have never done. So that's it, guys. So if you come to hub, you're supposed to see the coins. The balance on Satoshi app is supposed to be here. All right, so once you have done all that, you are good to go. So wait for the OpenEX to list, and then after that, of course, you get updates.